Yeah. There's a lot of gravy. Good morning guys. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to roast a turkey. Yeah, so what we're gonna put in the turkey is we got a lot of spicy here. Yeah, so which I'm gonna mix with the salted butter, okay? And then I'm gonna wrap around after that, and we'll put in the oven. But first, what we gotta do is we gotta turn the oven on. Turn it on to 180 just to heat it up. All right, it's dry. Yeah. Already clean it. Yeah. So make sure I turn the turkey and it's so dry. Yeah. Yeah. I'll turn it around. Up under. Yeah. You can use a paper towel or you can use a kitchen towel. It's all the same. But make sure it's dry. I'm gonna peel the potatoes. I'm gonna stuff in the turkey. So those are celeries, and I'm gonna put a garlic. Gentle. Yeah, put it. Alright guys, so we're gonna mix the spicy now. That is garlic. Yeah, that's garlic. Right, so we're gonna grind a little bit of pepper. Yeah. Organo. Yeah. Organo in there. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna put a little bit of cottage mixed chicken. Yeah. Yeah. That's a passion. Yeah. So I'm gonna put a paprika, smoked paprika. Yeah, there's paprika there. Yeah. A bit of chili. Yeah, there's a chili. Yeah, that's good. And I'm gonna put a salt. Yep. I'm gonna put some, maybe 2 tablespoons. Yeah. And I'm gonna put a butter, salted butter. Yeah. Yeah. Soft, yeah. That's it. And cut. Right guys, so I'm gonna wrap the spices on the turkey. So I'm gonna stuff the veggies inside. That's the veggies I cut. So I'm gonna stuff it inside. Yeah. It's very good. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So now we need to tie the turkey leg. Yeah. You can tie it together. We need this one, so now we can keep the veggies in there. And the turkey goes in the tray. There. Pull the skin back. Yeah. Turkey is going in the oven now. Alright? Cool. Yeah. Wow, that's heavy. Yeah, guys, let's check our turkey. All right, cool. And I'll put it here. There you go. Yep. There you go. Ah, look at that. Yep. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix the spicy and brush on the turkey. All right, cool. A bit of salt. And let's put a bit of paprika. Yeah. Pepper. Yeah. Oh, it's heavy. Yeah. So we gotta put it back in the oven. Yeah. And close. There we go, guys. Look at that. It's amazing. Yeah, pop it there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer the turkey into the other tray because the veggies is already cooked. And then I will bring it, the turkey, put it here. Yeah, the turkey is not cooked yet. So I need to cook the turkey more. Yeah, so that's why I'm putting it there. Yeah. As you can see, guys, the turkey is cooking amazing. Perfectly cooking. Yeah. So I'll put the turkey back. So guys, we're gonna make gravy out of here. Yeah. We're gonna do the gravy. There you go. Yeah. Look how beautiful is that. Use the self-rising to make the gravy. 1 spoon is enough. Yeah. That one, and then I will whisk. Yeah. Next one mixed. This is gonna thicken the gravy. Okay. So guys, look how amazing is the gravy. Yeah, so it's cooking really good, as you can see. Yeah, so it's all done. Look at that, so nice. It's almost ready. It's roasting really nice. Yep, cool. So good. Alright guys, Wow, look at that. It's all cooked, it's golden brown, and it's really good, as you can see.